Good evening, Mindanao! Today, we gather to showcase the best of our region's young talents, fostering unity and friendly competition. This is Mass Friendship Games 2024.
Your dedication to fostering a meaningful connection and promoting the values of sportsmanship, cultural appreciation, and mutual respect. Mabuhay po ang Mindanao Association of State Tertiary Schools.
In representing J.H. Cerelius State College as the host school with deep gratitude and virtue vested in me as president, I welcome all 34 state universities and colleges to Mass Friendship Games 2024. Dayon sa probinsya sa Zamboanga del Sur. Mabuhay Mass Friendship Games 2024.
By the power vested upon me as President of the Mindanao Association of State Tertiary School Incorporated, I now officially declare the Mass Friendship Games 2024 open!